G'day champions, Mick back again, and today I want to show you how to get these guys out. The broken headphone jack plug thingies, they are like the hardest thing to remove, and they end up just getting you absolutely frustrated. So today I want to show you how to remove a broken headphone plug the correct way, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll get regular video updates from me. But let's get back to the video. Usually you're sitting here trying to poke around and just do whatever you can to salvage your way out of this situation, and you end up just making an absolute mess of things like I am here. This is a genuine effort to try and get it out, and I've just trashed it. So, not a good idea using the screwdriver. I went to the pliers next, and pliers don't fit in, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you've actually found a pair of pliers that would. And I've bent a pair of tweezers, had success with them in the past, but not today. So we're going to grab a pen. This is the little magic guy that does the trick for us. And we'll grab some super glue. We're going to need him. Now, you don't want to put the super glue directly in the end of the pen. That's not the way to do it. You're going to make a mess. You want to put a tiny dab on the end of a stick or something, and then just sort of rub a little bit into the end of the pen. That way you got a bit more control on the situation. Now you want to clean it up, get rid of any hairs on the end like in my situation, and any excess super glue. Then jam it down in the hole as hard as you can, because you want it to fit around the end of that little headphone tip thing. So just jam him in there and then sit him down to rest for 24 hours. And I did wait the full 24 hours, guys, just to make sure that I did it properly for the video. Let me know if you guys do it in less time, or how long you usually wait for your super glue to dry anyway in the comments. That'd be pretty cool. And aside from that, this one's the grand reveal on whether it actually worked or not. I didn't think it would when I first tried this trick, but I think you're going to be amazed here in 3, 2, 1, pop. Check him out. He's definitely worked. It shocked me, and I hope it shocks you guys. Hit the like button and share it around with some friends. I'm sure it's going to help you save some money and save replacing ports and paying people to do stuff for you. And that's what we aim to do on this channel. You can see the new one, that'll plug back in nicely again, provided you did clean up the pen before you put it in there. You don't want the excess super glue on the outside. Use a nail file to clean up any messy parts of the port. The aluminium's nice and soft and will clean back up if you've messed that up at all. Now I've got other videos in a playlist over here, and if you've enjoyed my videos, it'd be awesome if you guys could subscribe. I do love having you around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.